One of the goals of this course is to provide an additional resource. A resource which can be used to improve upon a key problem in the management profession. This problem has to do with the fact that in the management profession, there are managers which are not as professional as professionals should be. The quality of managers is not a consistent thing, and after all, the purpose of the professional title is to denote a certain consistency and quality that has been achieved. In research, some professional managers were assigned excellent teams, but delivered subpar or below average results. This denotes that there is a lack of standardized performance among managers. Now, for comparison's sake, other professionals, such as engineers or programmers, most of them are standardized and most of them are good, with a few exceptions. When it comes to management, the opposite is true, with many being bad and only a few great ones. To be fair, there are many explanations for this phenomenon. First of all, management skills are not something that are practiced by workers, as is the case for other skill sets. Second, many professionals have to undergo strict and long-term academic training, experiential training, and licensing. This is not the case for management. People can often be promoted into management without anything at all. Third, many managers who are promoted are still expected to perform their previous role as contributor. This diverts their energy from their development as a manager. Fourth, many managers do not have adequate training, mentorship, supervision, or role models from which to gain professional insights and expertise necessary for the role. And fifth, many workers are promoted into the management role in a make it or break it scenario, and as such, do not have adequate preparation and training for the role. Now, as you can see, there are many factors which all work together to harm and limit the professionalism of many people as they go through this profession.